There is an entire ecosystem that depends on Delaware Bay's beaches. The bay supports the largest breeding population of horseshoe crabs in the world, which provide food for marine species and migratory birds like the threatened red knot. Beaches are, by nature, dynamic systems that are always changing. Strong storm events like Hurricane Sandy cause massive amounts of erosion along the bay's beaches, reducing the amount of available habitat for wildlife. As part of an effort to restore degraded beaches, we replenish them with sand. We use sand with a grain size that is optimal for horseshoe crab spawning and distribute it to form an ideal beach profile that provides spawning habitat for horseshoe crabs to keep the bay productive. Restoring beaches also protects the communities from storms and impacts of climate change. Creating natural sand berms protects the marsh behind the beaches and stops storm surges from overwashing horseshoe crabs into the marsh, which can kill thousands of crabs in one event. To ensure our beaches remain resilient into the future, we employ other innovative strategies to reduce erosion while still improving conditions for marine life. One innovation is protective breakwaters, or living reefs, that slow waves and reduce their impact on beaches, but also create habitat for oysters that help clean the water through natural filter feeding. Climate change is the most important threat to marine systems, but Delaware Bay can remain productive and resilient long into the future by keeping our beaches strong. In this way, we can ensure a secure future for the plants, animals, and the people of Delaware Bay.